15 Lessons from the book, The 100 Rules of Business, by Joshua Noel. The 100 Rules of Business is a book that provides valuable insights and lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs and business professionals. 1. Set clear goals. Define your long-term vision and set specific, achievable goals to guide your business journey. 2. Prioritize customer satisfaction. Focus on understanding and meeting the needs of your customers. Happy customers lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth. 3. Embrace change. Adaptability is crucial in the ever-evolving business landscape. Be open to new ideas, technologies, and market trends. 4. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your vision and complement your skills. A cohesive team can achieve great things together. 5. Continuous learning. Stay curious and invest in your personal and professional development. Seek knowledge, attend workshops, and learn from both successes and failures. 6. Take calculated risks. Business growth often requires taking risks. Evaluate the potential rewards and consequences before making decisions, but don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. 7. Foster a positive company culture. Create a supportive and inclusive work environment that values collaboration, innovation, and employee well-being. A strong culture attracts and retains top talent. 8. Build strong relationships. Networking and building relationships with customers, suppliers, and industry. 9. Focus on quality. Delivering high-quality products or services is essential for building a reputable brand and gaining customer trust. 10. Stay financially disciplined. Monitor your finances closely, maintain a budget, and make informed financial decisions. Cash flow management is critical for the sustainability of your business. 11. Be adaptable. Be prepared to pivot and adjust your strategies when necessary. The ability to adapt to changing market conditions can help you stay ahead of the competition. 12. Embrace innovation. Encourage creativity and innovation within your organization. Stay updated with emerging technologies and explore ways to leverage them for business growth. 13. Practice effective communication. Develop strong communication skills to convey your ideas, expectations, and feedback clearly. Effective communication fosters collaboration and avoids misunderstandings. 14. Be ethical. Conduct your business with integrity and transparency. Uphold ethical standards in all your interactions, both internally and externally. 15. Never stop improving. Strive for continuous improvement in all aspects of your business. Regularly evaluate your processes, products, and services to identify areas for enhancement. The 100 Rules of Business offers a wealth of knowledge and practical advice that can help you navigate the complex world of entrepreneurship and business management.